Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to view deleted messages on WhatsApp. If someone sends you a message and then deletes it, there are still ways to recover and read it. Just follow my steps and watch until the end. The first method is by using your phone's notification history. To do this, open your phone's settings, navigate to notification settings, find WhatsApp in the list, and open its notification settings. On Android devices, this will show recent notifications, including WhatsApp messages. When someone sends a message and then deletes it, you'll see 2 notifications, one showing the original message, another saying, "This message was deleted." By checking the first notification, you can still read the deleted message. However, this method does not work on iPhones. If you don't receive notifications or use an iPhone, you can try restoring messages from a backup. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Navigate to Chats greater than Chat Backup. Ensure Auto Backup is enabled and set to Daily Backup. When a backup is created before a message is deleted, the deleted message remains stored in the backup. If the message is deleted before the backup occurs, this method won't work. If the first 2 methods don't work, you can use third-party apps to recover deleted messages. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp history or notification history. Download and install an app that saves WhatsApp messages or notifications. These apps will log all received messages, allowing you to view deleted ones. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and consider subscribing to the channel. It would mean a lot. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.